Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off vibrations on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Sounds and Vibration, Sound, or Sound and Notification, depending on your device. Look for options such as Vibrate for calls, Vibrate while ringing, Touch vibration, or Haptic feedback. Turn off the toggles for the vibration features you no longer want to use. If your phone has a vibration and haptics menu, open it and disable call vibration, notification vibration, touch feedback, and keyboard vibration, depending on your preference. You can also switch your phone to silent mode if you want to disable both sounds and vibrations for incoming calls and notifications. After making your changes, test your phone by receiving a call, notification, or typing on the keyboard to make sure the vibration has been turned off. If your phone still vibrates, check the settings for individual apps, as some apps have their own vibration options that need to be disabled separately. That's all. You've successfully turned off vibrations on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.